Hey guys, Jason with Fender Garage here in Gilbert, Arizona, and right behind me you can kind of see we are widening a fender. And so we've got a 1953 to 56 Ford step side, and we're trying to increase the width so we can get a little bit wider tire. Now there's a couple different ways we do this, trying to get a wider tire. So on the 53 to 56 Ford F100s, there's just not a lot of room. I mean, I think 8.5 inches with a stock fender without any kind of widening, it's about all you're gonna get in there. And it's not very much, especially if you're doing like a Coyote swap. You're gonna have a lot of power. You're gonna need more rubber to stick to the road so you can get a better launch and have better traction. And so in order to do that, there's a couple ways you can do it. You can widen your fender, as we've done here. Okay, we did a 3-inch wide span, or what we'll do is we will put a wheel tub on the inside, about a 3-inch wheel tub. And so it just kind of depends on where your axle is. So if you have a 60-inch wide flange to flange rear end and it's all built and done, and you want to get more width, then you might need to widen your fenders to get that width. But if you don't want to go through all this extra work and you want to put a little bit of a small mini tub, if you will, on the inside of the bed, then maybe you just want to order up a narrowed rear end, about 2 inches narrower on each side, so you probably end up with like a 56-inch flange to flange rear end, and then you can get about a solid 10-inch size, or 10.5-inch rim in the back, and get some meat on it. And so usually you can get about a 315 tire on it, which definitely is a lot better than like a 245 or something like that. So anyways, you can kind of see we're TIGging this all in. He's welding this all up. He started this about the end of the day yesterday. He's about 7 hours into it. He's probably got about another 2 or 3, and then we'll be ready for body work. But let me show you what that looks like over here. So when it's all done, we'll get it all body worked out, and you won't even tell that we've actually done anything to it. We'll undercoat the inside with some kind of a rubberized undercoating, and then we'll get it ready for paint. So we're getting these ready here. We will have to, because we've widened it, make some adjustments on the running boards. So he'll do that next. But at the end of the day, we're gonna get a nice big fat tire in the back, and we do have a lot of power up front. As you can see, we got a Coyote motor sitting up there, but we're pretty excited about this project. So anyways, hopefully that helps. It gives you a little bit of information on what to do and when to do it, and kind of a few measurements for you. Thanks.